Are you making these common mistakes when buying your home insurance policy? Some of these mistakes could cost you thousands, but don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid them. Hey guys, I'm Mike Crowley, the owner of the Crowley Insurance Agency, where we make insurance easy with honesty and common sense. These are some of the most common mistakes that we see with people and their home insurance policy. The first one is underinsuring your home, not realizing that the insurance is based off a replacement cost, not the market value of or the purchase price of your house. We noticed that during the 2020 to 2024 timeframe, construction prices have increased dramatically, leaving a lot of people underinsured, but also seeing people that have tried to purchase their home insurance policy without advice of an agent are looking at numbers like their loan amount, the market value, their purchase price, and all of these things to potentially cover their house. What happens is at the time of a claim, they are going to be greatly underinsured. The second mistake is not understanding that home insurance differs from house to house, company to company, to person, meaning no two policies should be written the exact same, as you need to look at the endorsements and the add-ons that you can put into a homeowner's insurance policy. Things like adding endorsements for replacement costs on your contents or water backup coverage for your basement. Understanding that flood and earthquake aren't normally added into a homeowner's policy and a lot of times are written on separate policies. By not understanding what's built into yours and hoping for just a standard policy leaves people missing a lot of important coverages along the way. Third mistake is skipping out on the personal property riders and endorsements that you can add for specialty coverage and for higher valued items, things like jewelry or other collectibles that have limitations on a standard home insurance policy. If you have things of extreme value, it's much better to find out before you have a claim than afterwards that you have either limited or no coverage for that specific item. The fourth most common mistake is people thinking that a home insurance policy is a maintenance insurance policy and not understanding the deductibles that they have associated with it. A home insurance policy is not a maintenance policy. Items that need repairing due to wear and tear or just the life expectancy is up are not normally covered on a home insurance policy. Also, filing claims that are around or under your deductible, putting a claim history report together for you is not only going to cost you because of increased claim frequency and increased rates, but it's also going to cost you in the event you have multiple incidences in a short period of time where you may not be able to even find home insurance coverage. Understanding how claims work and how they're associated with your home insurance policy is key in order to have the most comprehensive policy for you at the best possible cost each and every year. And the last most common mistake is not notifying your insurance agent of changes that you are making to your house. This could be things like finishing your basement, adding a swimming pool, changing the deeded ownership of the property. Maybe you put it in a trust. Maybe you put it in somebody else's name, your child's name. Maybe you got divorced and the house is separating and it's only in one person's name and not the other. By not notifying your agent, you are not properly making sure your home insurance policy is up to date with the right information. The amount of times we see people that don't have enough coverage because they finished their basement or they added a pool and never told anybody is frequently. So please make sure if you're making changes to your policy, if you are doing improvements, if you are replacing your roof or putting in a new furnace, maybe you're missing out on discounts. So notifying and talking to your agent could also be a good thing for you to help bring down the premiums that you are paying. So if you want to avoid these costly mistakes, make sure you have an independent agent that you trust, somebody that you can reach out to, talk about these things, analyze this on an annual or every few year basis or when changes are happening so that you are properly set up in the event a claim arises. If you don't have an agent or if you need a review of your policy, reach out to the team at Crowley Insurance. We would be glad to help.